Hello, Ken here from Ultralight Camera Solutions, and this video will be part 4 of the underwater camera series that we have for the kits that we have. Anyways, this is for GoPros. This is GoPro trays, or a couple of them you could use sea life cameras on. So originally we always had what we call a pistol grip, and it would be mounted, you can mount your GoPro here, the light here. For certain reasons I one-upped it, and this has worked out for me really good because I changed it around a little bit. So it's still handheld, it has a clamp, you can get the light out here. Cool thing about this too is, and I have somebody who cleans boats that have used it like this, because it has the 1/4-20 thread on the bottom, you can buy these mounts that thread onto here, and you can put poles on them, like painter poles, and you can extend it way out. So if you want to do some kind of work and you need to put this in the water and not yourself, you could do that, because GoPros, you can flip the screen when it's underwater, you can have your light, and you could go around and inspect your boat or your dock or anything like that. So it's really got some other advantages, and it's really cool. We also have, we've had for quite a while, this is our TR-GP with our TR-DHB. This is the another single handheld tray that we have for GoPro. And then we have the same model, but a little longer. This is our TR-GPDXL tray, so it's slightly longer. And this works out really good for GoPro. And the reason why you can change them, but they have a flush mounted screw. It's not as easy to take this screw out to mount a something like a sea life to it that has a 1/4-20 thread on it. What would be better is our wing tray. So the wing tray is our TR-GPDW, and this kit comes with 2 TR-DHB handles. The wing tray is nice because it pushes the camera out forward, and if you have any kind of flip filters, you can flip them without them being in the way or your hand being in the way of the flip filters. But you can easily take this bolt out if you have a sea life camera or something else with a 1/4-20 thread on it right here, and you can mount it right onto here, and you're all set. So this works really good for whichever camera, and you actually could put a small point and shoot camera on here too that would have like a threaded hole for a single threaded hole. So you've got lots of options, and that would be our GoPro kits. But again, I think this is really cool because it's got lots of other uses too in a work environment as well. So other than that, happy videoing and have a great day.